Okay, so this is video 2 of our Raleigh Record Sprint restoration, and as you can see we've now completely disassembled the cycle, and I'm actually quite pleasantly surprised how easily things came off and how much grease etc was on the bearings and the components. So it's obviously had a good life, which explains why it's still running now all these years later. The handlebars are, as I suspected, the original gold handlebars that someone has cut down. It's a shame they've been cut down, but they are the originals, so we're minded actually to rebuild it with those in place. Although if we can find a set of complete drops with the original gold centres, then we may well fit those. The gold chain set, very good condition. Very good condition indeed. Same on the left-hand crank. Hardly any rub wear or anything. Still retaining its nice gold sheen. The centre caps, if you can see them there, the original Raleigh metal ones. The rear derailleur, Shimano Golden Arrow. Again, I don't think this bike has had an awful lot of use over the years. Simplex front shifters, down tube mounting, Hooray front derailleur, bit of chain wear corrosion on the back plate, so we'll see if we can either source a period correct replacement or get that re-chromed. Headset, again, good quality, nicely looked after, but some pitting and some surface corrosion on the outside. The bottom bracket had been changed at some point, so it's a modern cartridge bottom bracket. Very smooth, nicely running, again shows that bikes had lots of maintenance. But again, we'll look for an original period correct one. The Wyman calipers and levers, again hardly any wear at all on the levers. They normally wear back, showing silver. So these are still very nice. Chain, seat post, a little bit of wear on the bottom of the seat post, but nothing major, and that's obviously hidden in the frame. The frame itself and the forks, no damage, just a little bit of surface corrosion coming through. There's a bit on the chainstay there, obviously from chain wear. Again, to date it, again we're pretty confident it's a late 83, early 84. It's got the fitment for front derailleur. As I said, it's the aero tubing. No front pump peg, and just the one pair of water bottle mounts, nothing on the seat tube. The frame number, we try to make it out. Typically a bit of corrosion on the surface there, but you can make it out. We think it's WH60, possibly 6, 1066, I think, might be an 8. We'll know more when it's been to the paint shop and they've prepared it, and it should reveal it nicely. But again, no damage, just the odd piece of corrosion just coming through under the paintwork. We're half tempted not to actually paint it, but I think to preserve it for future years where it's just starting to go in places, I think we need to do it. The forks, again, like the frame, just a little bit of surface coming through, but no damage, no dents, no twists, good threads. So there we have it. That is the frame, or the bike, in bits, ready for the framing forks to be painted and then for reassembly. So look out for the last video, which should show the bike all done.